Hello students, myself Jasveer Kaur. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start the topic of class 7th and the topic is addition of integers. So before starting the addition of integers, you must know about the definition that what is an integers. So the group of whole numbers together with negative numbers is called integers, and that is 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3. So any number included with 0. 0 is also an integer. Any number which is positive or which is negative is a form of integers. Positive numbers are called positive integers and negative numbers are called negative integers. You can relate these integers to your day-to-day life. In your daily routine, if you count anything and you do any calculation, you can relate it with integers. Any number is an integer. Or if you purchase something from a shop and you give money to the shopkeeper, that is also a form of integers. So let us check the sums of the integers. So before starting the sums, you must be familiar with the sign part. So if there are two signs in your statement, one sign is positive and one sign is negative. Either first is positive or second is negative, or first is negative and second is positive. Means any sign, if one is positive and one is negative, then you will do subtraction there, you will do minus there, and the sign which will come before your answer, that sign will always according to the greater value. If your greater value is positive, then your answer will be positive, and if your greater value is negative, then your answer will be negative. And if there are two negative signs, both the signs are negative, so minus minus is plus. So you will do addition there, and sign which will come in your answer, that will be always negative. Now check your sum. The first sum is find the sum of the following, and the statement is 7 and -17. First of all, we will replace this and with plus sign. So it becomes 7 plus -17. Now if there are two signs, then we have to merge these signs. So plus minus is minus. So you will write that 7 minus 17. Now you can see that one sum is positive and one sign is negative. So plus minus is minus, and the sign which will come in your answer, that is according to your greater value. Now your greater value is negative in this statement, so your answer will be negative. Check your second sum. The statement is -8 and -13. So both numbers are negative. First thing, to replace this and with positive sign. So you will write -8 plus -13. So this is your step 1, and in your step 2 you will merge these two signs. So the first will remain same, plus minus becomes minus. Now you get two numbers with negative signs. So minus minus is plus. So do addition of these two numbers, and the sign which will come before your answer, that is always negative. So these are the addition of integer. Now next we are going to start the rule which is BODMAS. This rule is about to simplify a sum which is mixture of all the sums, plus, minus, multiply and divide, and the brackets are also matters in this. So your BODMAS rule is bracket of, then divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. So first of all, I will tell you about the bars. So first is bar bracket. So if any bar like this, a line upper the numbers is given to you, then we have to solve that first. Then the next is called small bracket. This bracket is called small bracket. If var is not given in your statement, then we will check this small bracket. Then the next is curly bracket. Curly bracket is this one with the curls. This is called curly bracket. After small bracket, this curly bracket will come. And the last, that is square bracket, or you can say big bracket. That we put like this. And at the last of the sum, we have to solve this. And now I have one question for you, that is simplify this question. Now first of all we will check if there is any small bracket. First of all we have to check bar, but bar is not given there. So we will check small bracket. So this bracket is small and there are three numbers, 16 minus 8 divide 2. So from subtraction and divide, we will choose divide first. So the rest numbers will remain same and you will write the numbers same, and we will solve this firstly, which is divide. We will just divide these two numbers, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 4 multiply 16 minus 4. In place of these two numbers, we will write 4. Now the next is also this in small bracket, so we have to solve it. So it becomes 4 multiply 25 plus 4 multiply. Now do subtraction. If you subtract 4 from 16, means 16 minus 4, that is 12. So write down 12 in place of this. Now we have this curly bracket to solve, and the sign is multiply. So do multiplication of these two numbers. 4 multiply 25, and do multiply of these two numbers, you will get 48 here. Now we have this bracket to solve, and the sign is addition. So we have to do addition here. So we will write 4 multiply and do addition. You will get 73. And then the last step is to multiply these two numbers. So do multiply, and your answer is 292. So this is your topic about the addition of integers and to simplify from the BODMAS rule. Thank you to watching this video, and in next video we will deal with the subtraction of integers.